Once upon a time, there was a laborer who lived in a small village.
ati kera habayeho umukozi wiberaga mu cyaro.
Every day, he would dig up soil, load it onto his donkey, and sell it.
ati buri munsi yarabyukaga akagenda agacukura imicanga yarangiza akayishyira ku ndogobe yewe akajya kuyicuruza.
One day, while digging, the laborer found a precious diamond in the soil.
umunsi umwe wa mukozi arimo aracukura yaje gucukura asanga mu butaka diyama, ibuye rya diyama.
But he didn't know its value, so he tied it around his donkey's neck.
ati ntabwo yigeze amenya agaciro k'iyo diyama kuko yafashe iyo diyama ayihambira mu ijosi ry'indogobe yiwe.
One day, as he was walking through the village with his donkey, a wealthy merchant who ran a small grocery shop saw the shining stone around the donkey's neck.
ati umunsi umwe arimo arazenguruka muri karitsiye yaje guhura n'umwe mu bagabo bagiraga iduka ricuruza ibintu by'ibikomo muri karitsiye. arangije uwo mugabo abona iryo buye riri mu ijosi ry'iyo ndogobe.
He asked the laborer, "What is this shining thing around your donkey's neck?"
uwo mugabo arangije abaza uwo mukozi ati se kiriya kintu kiri kurabagirana mu ijosi ry'indogobe yawe ni iki?
The laborer replied, "It's just a shiny stone that I found while digging."
arangije uwo mukozi asubiza uwo mugabo ati ni ibuye nyine rishashagirana nabonye mu gihe nari ndi gucukura.
The merchant liked the stone and bought it from the laborer for 50 rupees.
umugabo arangije akunda iryo buye cyane arangije ahita arimugurira ku bihumbi 50.
The merchant then hung the stone on his shop's weighing scale. Everyone who visited the shop admired the beautiful stone.
uwo mugabo amaze kurigura agenda arimanika muri ya shopu yiwe icuruza udukomo. buri muntu wese wazaga yararibonaga akavuga ati wow, mbega ibuye ryiza.
One day, a jeweler came to the merchant's shop.
ati umunsi umwe haje kuza umwe mu nzobere mu bantu bari bazobereye mu bintu by'amabuye y'agaciro muri iyo shopu.
When he saw the stone hanging from the scale, he realized it was a priceless diamond.
atakigera muri iyo shopu akibona iryo buye rwose yahise avuga ati mbega ibuye ry'agaciro.
He asked the merchant, "What is this, and why is it hanging here?"
arangije abaza umucuruzi ati iki ni iki, kubera ikiba kimanitse hano?
The merchant replied, "It's a shiny stone that I bought from a laborer for 50."
umucuruzi arangije abwira wa mugabo ati ni ibuye rishashagirana naguriye umukozi ku bihumbi 50
rupees. The jeweler then asked, "Would you like to sell it to me?"
ya nzobere mu bintu by'amabuye arangije abwira umucuruzi ati se ushobora kuringurishaho?
The merchant said, "If you want it, give me 100 rupees and take it."
ati numba ushaka kuringurira mpereza ibihumbi 100 urijyane.
The jeweler, being stingy, said, "I can give you 80 rupees."
ati ya nzobere mu bintu bijyanye n'amabuye y'agaciro yabaye ingugubiza arangije aramubwira ati ntabwo ngo ibihumbi 100, ndaguha ibihumbi 80.
If you agree, I'll take it. Otherwise,
nubyemera ndaritwarira ibuye.
I'll leave. But the merchant insisted on 100 rupees, and the jeweler left.
wa mucuruzi yaje kwanga bya bihumbi 80. aravuga ati nkeneye ibihumbi 100. wa mugabo nawe wari uzobereye mu bintu by'amabuye arangije aragenda.
Thinking he would return the next day and buy it for 90 rupees.
umugabo yagiye atekereza yuko azagaruka ku munsi ukurikiye yarangiza akamuha ibihumbi 90.
That evening, another jeweler passed through the village.
ati muri iryo joro haje kuza undi muntu uzobereye ibintu by'amabuye y'agaciro muri icyo giturage.
His car broke down, so he stopped by the merchant's shop.
imodoka y'uwo mugabo yaje kugira ikibazo arangije aparika hafi ya rya duka ricuruza utuntu tw'udukomo.
When he saw the diamond hanging from the scale, he immediately offered 100 rupees.
akibona rya buye ry'agaciro muri ka gashopu rimanitse we yahise yishyura ibyo bihumbi 100
and bought the diamond without hesitation.
ahita agura iryo buye rwose nta kuzuyaza.
The next day, the first jeweler came back and noted
Ku munsi wakurikiye wa mugabo wa mbere wari warabanje yaraje. Umwe wari uzobereye ibintu by'amabuye y'agaciro yaragarutse.
That the diamond was gone.
Asanga ryabuye barijyanye.
He asked the merchant where it went. The merchant replied, "After you left, another gentleman came and bought it for 100 rupees."
Arangije uwo mugabo abaza wa mucuruzi ati ryabuye ryagiye. Umucuruzi naramusubiza ati nyuma yaho ugendeye haje undi muntu araringurira ku 100.
Hearing this, the jeweler regretted his decision and
umwe wanze kugura ryabuye yarababaye cyane ku bw'umwanzuro yari yarafashe.
Angrily said, "You fool!"
Arangije ararakara cyane atangira no gutukana uri igisazi ariko.
Was not just a shiny stone.
It ntago yari ibuye rishashagirana gusa.
Was a priceless diamond.
Ati ni diyama idafite igiciro wayigura.
And you sold it for just 100 rupees.
Urangije uyigurisha ku 100 kweli.
The merchant laughed and replied, "Sir, I didn't know it was a priceless diamond, but you did."
Umucuruzi arangije aramubwira ati nyakubahwa rwose ntago nigeze menya yuko ari diyama y'agaciro.
Still, you argued over 20 rupees. So, the real fool is you, who lost a precious diamond for just 20 rupees.
Umucuruzi arangije amubwiza ukuri aramubwira ati umva mugabo. Ikigoryi ni wowe cyanze kugura ibuye ry'agaciro kubera amafaranga 20 yonyine.
This story teaches us 3 important lessons.
Ati iyi nkuru ishobora kutwigisha ibintu bitatu. Munyumve neza.
1. Be stingy only where it's needed.
Ati tuze tugira akantu ko kugugubira mu gihe bikenewe.
If you're stingy everywhere, you may miss out on great things.
Ati ahantu hose nushaka kuzana ubugugubizi cyangwa uburyarya hari byinshi uzahomba kandi byiza.
2. Never miss an opportunity.
Icya kabiri, ntuzigere wemera yuko hari amahirwe namwe yagucika.
Sometimes thinking you're too smart, you let chances slip away.
Ati rimwe na rimwe dutekereza yuko ari twe dufite ubwenge twaza tukagira ibyo twirengagiza tugiraga abandi ngo ninjije.
3. Never delay your work.
Icya gatatu, ntuzigere ukererwa gukora akazi kawe.
There's an old saying, "Do tomorrow's work today and today's work now."
Ati bimwe uvuga ati ibyo nari gukora none nzabikora ejo, ibyo ukoze none niko kazi k'uyu munsi.
The right time is now.
Igihe cya nyacyo ni iki ngiki. Nge twabanye yari ni Kenny Vibes. Nimba iyi video hari isomo yagusigiye kanda subscribe tuzabane no kuri video z'ubutaha. Murakoze cyane.